Hello, I'd like to show you how to use virtual monitors, aka spaces. What virtual monitors allow you to do is jump very quickly from one virtual monitor to another. I will demonstrate that and then I will show you how to set it up and how to use it. So to demonstrate, right now I'm on a desktop where I can see some files, I have a text editor open, and I could open up lots of things. Now, if I make one of these full screen, that actually puts this in its own virtual space. And one way to get out of it would be to come and X out or not make it full screen anymore. But the other one I can demonstrate right now is to move back and forth like this. And so I can have many monitors open. In fact, right now I have the first monitor right here open. I have now my text editor open. I have another monitor where I am recording this video and I just have a web browser open. I have another monitor open that has a Google form that I'm creating. I have another monitor where I might start a new Google Meet. And let's see. Hi, self. And so typically what I would do is when I'm hosting a class, I would have a Google Meet in a single monitor. And that monitor I can very easily jump to at any time. So I'm doing something over here, I'm back, and all I'm doing is hitting some keyboard commands to jump quickly back. I also have the ability to hit the up arrow and see all of my monitors. And when I see them, I can also click on any single monitor to jump directly to that. So I will show you how to do this now, and it's actually a fairly simple process. First thing you want to do is you're going to find your Apple menu, which is just right up in this corner, and you're going to click on it. And you're going to choose System Preferences. From here, you're going to pick Keyboard. Everybody's keyboard is going to be in roughly the same spot, but if you can't find it, you can just type the word keyboard in search and it will find it for you. And in fact, that works for everything in preferences. If you're looking for a preference, just start typing it and it will try to find what you're looking for. Now, when I'm in keyboard, I am then going to click on Shortcuts. In Shortcuts, I am then going to click on Mission Control. The things I am demoing right now are move left and right, a space, and I am demoing Mission Control itself. If I did not want to use the keys that I am using, I can click on them and I could type a different key and that would be fine. I like my command, so I'm going to keep that as command left, command right, and command up. So command up, this is called Mission Control, and it shows me all of my desktops along with all of my apps. If I had a lot of apps on one window, it would separate them for me. And then control left and right lets me choose different windows. Thanks for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions.